Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing awesome this morning. It's Thursday, October the 8th. Today, we're really going to start looking at the circulatory system. You've got a little bit of introduction to that yesterday when we did the brain pop. Yesterday, you were to complete two videos, the heart and the circulatory system, and kind of take a little quiz on both of those. Those were completion grades, so I hope that everyone got that done. So today we're going to look into the main components of the circulatory system. I have this picture right here, and it is the picture of the heart. If you look, we have a right side and a left side of the heart, and it looks backwards to you because you're thinking it's your right. You're looking at it, okay? So the top, we have four chambers of the heart. The top chambers are called the atria. You have a right and a left atrium, and you have a right and a left ventricle. Those are the bottom chambers of your heart. We have valves in between all of these chambers that ensures that our blood doesn't flow backwards, because that would mess up the oxygenated and the deoxygenated blood if that were to happen. So that's kind of the heart is the main organ along with those arteries and those veins. So today, the first thing you're going to do is watch the heart circulatory system video and how they work. And then once you complete that, you are going to pull up this document right here that says the circulatory system document. It's a CamiDoc. So it's a reading, and you're going to read along. Read along. We're waiting for it to pop up. It's a little slow. You're going to read. It's not very long. And there are 8 questions down at the bottom. So I would like you, with your highlight, wherever that's at, somewhere here, you are going to highlight the right answers in a different color. But once you highlight the answers, I want you to go back into the text and highlight the text where you found that answer. Okay, so something like this. The main function of the circulatory system is to do which of the following? Maybe I'm probably going to go up at the top. Is it the body takes oxygen to the lungs when a person breathes? Is that it? That probably could be it. Okay, so then I would highlight where that was, and then I would go ahead and highlight the answer. That is really all that has to be done today. So you're going to mainly be watching the video and reading and highlighting the document and answering those 9 questions. When you are finished, you are going to turn the document in under assignments under the circulatory system document. Well, if you have any questions, you can email Miss Love or myself. Have a great day.